Welcome back again. In this video, I am going to show you how to restore contact on Android phone. If you accidentally delete any contact, don't worry. You can easily recover it by following this guide. So let's begin. First of all, grab your phone, open the contact apps. After the app is open, at the top right corner, you can see 3-dot more icon or similar button. Simply tap on it to open them. Here you can see multiple options appear. Located the trash or recycle bin. Once you found them, simply tap on it to open the page, and you can see all of the deleted contact listed there. Simply find any specific contact if you want to recover. For example, I am recover all of the contact at one time, so tap on hold it any single contact, then tap on the all button at the top left corner and selected all of the contact there. At the very bottom you can see restore all button. Simply click on it once and automatically recover the all of deleted contact on your phone. But however, keep in mind this process only works 30 days before it permanently delete your phone. Thanks for watching. Like this video.